Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla presents prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country at Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy. And Chief Minister Nongthongban Birane inaugurates 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waitopat in Thoubal district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Lakshmi Monica with the latest news updates. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla presented the prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Imphal today. 8 people received the award in the field of music, 9 in dance, 7 in theatre and 9 people in traditional, folk, tribal music, dance, theatre and puppet. Manjui Langbam from Manipur bagged the award for Manipuri dance, while A. Aneshwari from the state bagged the award in Manipuri traditional and folk music category. Speaking at the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla expressed pride that Manipur is unique in art and culture, though it may be behind in development in other fields in comparison to the other states. She congratulated the awardees and appreciated Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi for choosing Jain Manipur Academy for the venue of the award distribution ceremony. She maintained that such acknowledgement will encourage the state artists to bring more laurels in the future. The governor also launched 5-day Festival of Music, Dance and Drama 2019 organized by Jain Manipur Dance Academy and MSFDS on the occasion. Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 awardees will showcase their talents during the festival.
One artist, namely Manju Igilambam, has received this prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 in the field of Manipuri dance. Congratulations, Manju, and well done. Similarly, I congratulate everybody else also. I would also like to convey my heartiest congratulations to Aneshwari Devi, who has received this Yuva Puraskar in the field of traditional and folk dance. I'm especially mentioning people from Manipur because we are so far away, but I'm happy that Sangeet Natak Academy chose Manipur for this year's ceremony of the Bismillah Khan Award. Manipur may be far away, may be a not so developed state, but as far as art and culture are concerned, we are no less than anybody else in the country. I'm fully confident that many more young talented artists from the state will earn name and award in different fields in the years to come.
Chief Minister Nongthongban Birane inaugurated 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waitopat in Thoubal district today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister disclosed that Centre has sanctioned 2,900 crore rupees under New Development Bank to make safe drinking water in every household in Manipur by 2024. The newly inaugurated water supply scheme constructed under the funding of Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, NABARD, can give 18 million litre of water per day. The government also laid foundation stone for the scheme on August 1, 2016, and Hyderabad-based company Keystone Infra Private Limited started construction in July as the implementing agency. The Chief Minister reiterated that government gives top priority to enhance education and health sector and to give safe drinking water to the public. He assured to take measures to reach out to those areas inaccessible by the water supply scheme at the earliest. The Chief Minister also assured to revive water supply scheme at Samal Thangkul in Wangkhem constituency in the near future. Chief Minister Birane disclosed that Centre has earmarked a budget of 20 to 25 crore rupees for dredging water works of 4 legs in the state, including Waitopat and Lamphilpat.
Karor nimfu mari sangba ma sahi ani makhai ahum du loiba ngambai si achit chowe simena praja bu nuai hanba praja ga punna satpa praja gi aphaba thabak toba praja na awana pa mayam do openly tanaba yaba adugumbo governance bu good governance ka wen ngasi atal bihari prize pai lai gidam matung akoi celebrate tawri madu laura kanda honorable prime minister na sabke sath sabke vikas aur sabke vishwas hai na laura ine aduna koi aino je hajen mu sigi leiriba Rains the labor, sings it. She was in a wood however, Uyo Hodraba. She passed a Kangini. She passed a Kangragadi, she does Harry, but when a Karoni Fu and Kaisanga Harry, she came Kanaro.
Remarking about the suspicious death of the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin stated that causes behind the student's death is not established as yet, but police have nabbed all the accused involved in the case. He maintained that doctors conducted twice post-mortem of the girl student as per public demand. Biren also mentioned that the state government has submitted necessary documents to the relevant authorities for handing over the case to the CBI. Stating that government has acted as per the demands of the JSC formed against the death incident, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin expressed discontentment over the rumored bifurcation of the JSC. He urged people to give some time to the CBI to solve the case.
Pabaya Singnaba Milo in a fare, postmortem Anirak Tawed and Anirak Tore, video recording low and Lore, Madugi Manunda, CBI the case in a way than a handbagi CBI the Sinare, 302 Yaudi Haidana, Mok 302 C, application number complaint number Hapakanda 302 Yorokanda, Anirak Suboina, CBI the Sinabagi say copy later, CBI in a case low the name Marks the Sigi case, citizen by the Lepoya, the Entroga SIT, MSCME Marina Saba, highly SIT independently free the Moy Wakto Honmani, Kanam the influence direct Aigi, Chief Minister supervision Makada to Honmani, I hike. I don't know Nashishu, I know my am the appeal to say. Karino Mayam Pamis, Karino by Quito Guardis, Carito Boy. I know really challenging the mente Pongo, but really some set per se. Mapanda, I am no idea. Mayra really set Panatragana, Sorokta, Tayar Taba, Baneta, Mapanda di Messias, a moinus at labor. Manipur say, Irang gonna later, act me like we had a Lamdon Manipur say.
Members of JSC against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, organized march torch rallies across Manipur Valley last night. State police dispersed the agitators by firing tear gas shells. Two women agitators at Singjamai and Lamphail Sanakaitel sustained injuries in the police act. The victims were taken to RIMS for treatment. Victims are identified as Wahengbam Sobita from Singjamai Machinga Makal Liwa Road and Lemapokpam Satyavati from Lamphail Sanakaitel. Extending solidarity to the JSC's initiative, people from various localities of Thangmaiban constituency carried out torch rally on streets of the constituency, including Assembly Road, around 8 last night. Imphal West police personnel disrupted the rallies by snatching lighted torches from these protesters. Members of Konthausam, Kangjaibung, Mapal, Chaukat, Khongthang, Lob also carried out rally at Konthausam in Imphal West last night. Protesters chanted various slogans during the protest. Mass torch rallies were also carried out across Bishnupur district last night, demanding justice for the deceased girl student. Members of local clubs, Maira Paibis Association and many people from Moirang Kuno, Bishnupur Bazaar, Oinam took out rallies. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on protests by Janim's doctors against suspension order served to Janim's doctor Tensubam Nimi. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. Janim's doctors took mass casual leave and carried out protest demonstrations against the suspension order issued to Janim's doctor Tensubam Nimi. It may be mentioned that government suspended the woman doctor following scuffles at Janim's hospital following a death of a woman few days after delivery on August 14. Taking part in the protest, spokesperson of Teachers Association Janim's Dr. N. Kumarjit strongly condemned issuance of suspension order to Dr. Nimi without conducting any departmental inquiry. He maintained that remaining doctors of the hospital are insecure to work in such an unfavorable environment. He asked if doctors are to be suspended every time a patient dies. He stated that the association will not oppose punishment to Dr. Nime if she is found guilty by the inquiry committee formed by Director of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. K. Rajo, within 10 days. But if Dr. Nime is found blameless in the patient's death and the suspension order still not lifted, the association will hold a meet on August 24 and resolve to carry out intense agitations. JNM Students Association also strongly condemned the incident.
Committee headed by Director Health Services Dr. Rajo ki matung magi makada committee form tawena tajai ado committee si tarik 14 August order thoki within 10 days ki manungda moi report ama pikhalo o haibani aduna karigumba inquiry sina tuna yangna efficiently tawbiraga karigumba maral leirame law will take its own course aduga karigumba maral leiram tar oiragadi akoi within this 10 days digi manungda Dr. T. Nimigi suspension order akoi revoke tawbiyo.
Manipur joined the world in observing World Photography Day today. Royal Photography Manipur organized the event at DM College of Commerce today. People paid floral tributes to the portrait of PTI late photojournalist Panjobam Santos and to the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, and paid 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. IAS retired R.K. Nimai also attended the event. A photo exhibition entitled Midfirm was also held in the event. State-level Quality Assurance Cell Manipur held a national-level workshop on understanding the new framework of NARC at the multi-purpose hall of Manipur College in Chingamathak today. Former Vice-Chancellor of Brahmapur University, Orissa, Dr. A.P. Pradhi, stressed on preparing for NARC assessment and accreditation in the workshop. A new branch of VLCC Institute of Beauty and Nutrition India was opened near Uripok Flyover Bridge in Imphal West District today. Speaking in the event, international model Heli Laithangbam stated that the newly opened institution will create job opportunities for youth in the state. The farmers in the state are hands on air due to scarcity of rainfall. Heavy rain lashed several parts of the country, leaving 35 people dead in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Punjab yesterday. A flood warning has been sounded in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh as the Yamuna and other rivers are in sped. At least 24 people were killed in rain-related incidents in Himachal Pradesh. Due to heavy rain, district officials have ordered the closure of all educational institutions in Simla and Kullu today. Gates of Pando and Napta Jakri dams are being opened as the water level in the Beas and Satluj rivers is very high. People have been requested to stay away from rivers, rivulets and streams to avoid any untoward incident. Train services between Simla and Kalka were disrupted yesterday after multiple landslides blocked the rail route. In Uttarakhand, 8 people died and 10 are missing after a cloud burst in Mori block of Uttarakhand district wreaked havoc in several villages. Several houses in Arakot, Makuri and Tikochi villages were damaged. Haryana has asked the army to remain on standby after 8.14 lakh water was released from the Hathini Kund barrage in the Yamuna River. Following heavy rain in the old village of Punjab, 3 members of a family were killed when the roof of the house collapsed. In Uttar Pradesh, several rivers including Ganga, Yamuna and Gangra are in sped. In Jammu and Kashmir, 190 primary schools reopened in Srinagar today. Government spokesperson Rohit Kansal said that restrictions were further eased in 50 police station areas of the valley yesterday. He said the duration of relaxation was also increased from 6 hours to 8 hours. He said the relaxation hours were increased, keeping in view the response and requests by traders, and this process will continue in the days to come. There are no reports of any untoward incidents in the areas which witnessed relaxations. However, some mischievous elements tried to cross the shopkeepers in some areas to shut their shops, and law enforcing agencies have taken note of the incident. On the issue of the restoration of mobile phone services in the valley, Council said landline telephone services have been restored in several areas of Srinagar as the process to bring more areas on the telecom map is going on. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah presents prestigious Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2018 to 33 artists from across the country. And Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren inaugurates 44 crore rupees worth water supply scheme at Waitho Pass in Thoubal district.